Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the dictionary functions. So far I have discussed about the dictionary data structures and what are the different ways to create a dictionary. Then dictionary function, how to perform an arithmetic operations on the dictionary values. Okay. This video we are going to see about the dictionary function. What are the functions we are using in the dictionary data structures. Okay, let's move on to the video. The first one is keys of function. Keys of function is used to get all the keys from the dictionary. That means this function returns all the keys from the dictionary. Okay. First of all, I am going to create a dictionary. It's called dictionary 1. With key 1 value Python 2 3 plus 5j. Third one is 4, 5, 6. The next key is A. Then the value is 100. Okay. Then I want to apply I'm going to apply the keys of function dictionary 1 dot keys of. See, it displays all the keys from the dictionary. It's 1, 2, 3 and A. These are all the keys of the dictionary. Then the next one is values of. Next function is the values of. It returns all the values from the dictionary. The keys of function has returned keys from the dictionary, and the values of function used to returns the value of the dictionary. So I am going to apply this values of function on the dictionary 1. Then values of function, say Python 3 plus 5j, 4, 5, 6 and 100. These are all the values of the dictionary. So after applying that values of function, we got the all dictionary values. Okay. Then the next one, copy of function. This function is nothing but used to copy the dictionary into new dictionary. If you want to get the same key value pair in the existing dictionary into the new dictionary, we should go with the copy of function. I am going to create a new dictionary 1. 1 equal to 1 is Python 2 Django 3 REST API, then 4 Java. Okay. Then and I want to copy this same key value pair into that new dictionary. It's called dictionary 2. So I am going to apply that copy of function. So dictionary 1 dot copy of. That means I am going to copy the dictionary 1 values into dictionary 2. Now want to print the dictionary 1. See, this is a dictionary 1, then dictionary 2. Both dictionary 1 and 2 has the same key value pairs. That means the dictionary 1 values has copied into the dictionary 2. Then the next one, pop-off function. Pop means just pop out the particular element. Used to remove the specific key value pair. Okay. For example, I am creating a dictionary 1 as A 100, B 200, C 300, D 400. Okay. Then I am going to apply the pop-off function. Dictionary 1 dot pop-off 3. Okay. Sorry. Key should be entered. It's not a position. Key should be entered. Dictionary 1 dot pop-off A 100. Okay. So that means this key value pair has popped out. Again I want to display the dictionary 1. See, the the key A and this value 100 has removed from this dictionary. The next one, clear off function. Clear off function used to remove all the key value pairs from the dictionary. Okay. D equal to dictionary hello to its value by okay, then D dot clear off. Want to print the D again. See, initially I have created a dictionary with 2 keys with values. Okay, one is key 1 and key 2, both are having their own unique values. Then after that I have applied the clear off function. That means it has removed the key value pairs and it has removed all the keys and values from the dictionary. So finally we got a empty dictionary. After applying the clear off function, we got a empty dictionary. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.